Helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day with Kat Cooper.
Moving our bodies comfortably and effectively is something that many of us take for granted until something happens and that ability is compromised. Fortunately, there are resources to help us live the life we'd like. Here to share more from Springer Prosthetics is Brianna Anderson. Welcome, Brianna.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here today. Brianna, what are prosthetics and orthotics?
So prosthetics are a device that is used to replace a body part that is now missing, where orthotics is a device that's used over top of the body part to kind of return it to a normal functioning level.
Okay, and so some examples of those things would be?
We do various things, lower leg braces, back braces, elbow, sometimes different things for depending on the age.
Wonderful. And do you treat people of all ages?
We do. We see newborn babies all the way up to 100 years old.
Wow, wow. And what sorts of things do you typically see children for?
So for children, it's generally anything that is able to help them, usually lower leg braces if they're having muscle weakness, or scoliosis braces. A lot of times sports injuries if they damaged. Kids have accidents, so.
Yeah, they do. And so what should we be looking for in a practice to treat our family?
Anywhere that's going to have a lab on site. They're going to have the resources there to do any adjustments or get the product to you as fast as they can. That's generally something that's admirable in a practice.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Brianna. For more on this and other wonderful topics for moms, log on to momseveryday.com and have a great day.
Helping make your life easier. Moms Every Day.